Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Claudia's. Hope you're keeping safe. Hope you're social distancing wherever you are in the world. Good morning, good night, good evening. Hope you're keeping safe. So today I will be doing something simple, something easy, right from my backyard garden. All organic. So please like, share, and hit that subscription button. Thank you very much. And let's get cooking. So this is what my backyard garden looks like. And today I'll be getting some red Calaloo and also some green Calaloo. Some okra, sweet pepper, and also some escallion. So I have gone ahead and washed, cut my Calaloo into small pieces, and now it's time to get cooking. So in this I have the Calaloo, of course. I have sweet pepper, I have onion, I have scallion, I have pepper, I have garlic, sweet corn, carrot, and other vegetables. But it's okay, whatever you have in your refrigerator or in your kitchen, that's fine. Just go ahead and use whatever you have. And if you're a vegetarian, this will be the perfect meal for you. So now let's get cooking. Are you ready? So while this is steaming, I am gonna go ahead and I'm going to start taking up my flour and my dry ingredients to go ahead and knead my flour. And I am using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using ½ cup of cornmeal, pinch of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, that's brown sugar, also a tablespoon of baking powder. So you're going to add water and go ahead and knead your dough. So at the end, your dough should look like this. This should be the texture. So you're gonna go ahead and break your dough into small pieces. From this ingredient, I got 15 small dumplings. Set aside in a bowl, cover with cling wrap, and just sit for about 20 minutes. So in a small frying pan, you're going to pour your oil and you're going to just wait until your pot is hot and then drop those dumplings in. Hey! So these dumplings are great with ackee and saltfish. They're great with tin mackerel. They're great with curry chicken. It's also great with stewed chicken. Any meat you put these dumplings with, they will complement. So my dumplings are all done, and let me tell you, they not just look delicious, they are yummy, yummy, yummy. Good recipe. So there I am adding something extra, some ripe plantains. Going to be frying those. So finally the Calaloo is done. It smells, it looks wonderful, and it tastes wonderful also. So now that we have come to the end of the road, thank you for being a part of this. Thank you for liking, for sharing, and also subscribing. And if you haven't done so yet, please press the subscribe button, the like button, and please share also. Thank you.